Oh, buckle up, folks, because today we're diving into all things Apple, a company that's been busier than a caffeinated beaver during dam season. Apple's been in headlines for three primary reasons, touching on its financial prospects, product innovation, and a cool new feature that rocked the world of iPhone users everywhere. So grab your AirPods and let's break it down. First up, Apple gave investors a bit of a heads up. It's shifting focus towards artificial intelligence and virtual reality market trends, which could slightly rock the boat revenue-wise. Why, you ask? Well, they're pumping up investments in new technologies, signaling potential risks to the kind of profit margins they've enjoyed with their iPhones. Yep, the iPhone, with its slick design and astronomical prices, has been quite the cash cow for Apple over the years. But as Apple embraces AI with its Apple Intelligence features and even entertains the idea of ChatGPT integration into Siri, they sure hope that this gamble pays off. Watch out, Siri might soon become not just a know-it-all, but a really smart know-it-all. Despite these risks, Apple's stock still shows pretty little signs of fearfulness, having risen over 20% since the start of the year. Analysts predict continued demand for Gen AI capabilities in upcoming iPhone models and remain, shall we say, cautiously optimistic about the future. Interestingly, Apple's focus on services like its App Store and Apple TV also continues to pay off, big time. Moving on to headline number 2, Apple's financial showing from its fiscal Q4 was in, and boy did they deliver a whopper. Not only did they clock a 6% revenue increase, reaching a cool $94.93 billion, it appears the Apple Cart has known some minor upsets alongside it, such as concerns over advertised Google services due to potentially shifting patterns with Alphabet's antitrust hand. Globally, China reportedly stayed pretty flat, though Apple mentioned Greater China coordinating things well enough to maintain its status as the urban darling in smartphone circles. And for all those wondering, they capped their quarter with approximately $157 billion in moolah and $107 billion in debt, having repurchased $25 billion of stock along the way. Now let's get a bit glitzy with Apple's latest technological ingenuity, turning election night into notifications delight. Apple introduced a fresh feature through their Apple News app that lets users get live election updates straight to their lock screens via Dynamic Island. Whether Trump securing key states excited you or waiting for your candidate's victory felt too nerve-wracking to miss, technology intervened. Social media users applauded it as what the ghost of Steve Jobs would have liked the feature to do, while others only enjoyed it until a few vivid smartphone crashes chimed in with a digitized chuckle. In summary, Apple is gearing up to dive into AI with spirited zeal. They demonstrated fiscal prowess this quarter, and they've taken an innovative swipe at keeping users hooked with their device's live functionalities. So next time you're unlocking your phone, remember, Apple just wants all screens across the world to stay equally dynamic. Thanks for watching to the end. Remember, this is just one story from our full daily show, which includes all the other news and an analysis of the day's tech market activity. If you found this video interesting or insightful, then please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Your support is greatly appreciated. Catch you later.